Guess who's back? Alright, so I got my rebuild kit for the carbs, and I rebuilt them. I took them apart again, cleaned them out completely, good with a little acid brush and carb cleaner, cleaned out, took out all the jets, all that stuff, replaced it with new jets, new floats, all that, put them back together, also new O-rings. I always forget that. But yeah, did all that, adjusted them as good as I could, eyeballed it, put them back on, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Woo! All right, let's check it out. It's in neutral. Let's start with the starter first. Try with the Kickstarter. Oop. I think we're good. I think we're good. Maybe a little bit more adjustment here and there. And we'll see. I probably have to take off this exhaust and clean it up. It's like smoking a little bit. But I think we can call that pretty good from where we were at. So that's always good. Always good. So yeah, that's I'd say we're making good progress. I'm not really trying to knock this thing out really fast. As you can see, I'm just doing baby steps. Got these carbs better than they were. I say we're on the better side of where we were last time, so that's always good. But just want to make sure it's good and running before I actually go into taking it apart, doing all that stuff, and getting it cleaned up and ready to go. So I just want to make sure it's running good before anything. So we're getting closer. Peace.